Come to the heart of Mediterranean. Come to the island where it feels like scenery.
Now, it's just a short drive from Energia Mediterranea to our next stop along the Fiumara d'Arte Trail to La Piramide, 38 Parallelo. Welcome to La Piramide, 38 Parallelo, a mantelmcio land art sta fermo. It is one of the iconic work d'arte by Antonio Presti.
The wind remembers. The sea never forgets. Between the earth and the sky, a silent giant waits. Above the hills of Sicily, a pyramid touches eternity, stealing sunlight, earth and sea. Standing where our souls break free, the 38th parallel draws the line, where ancient dreams and stars align. Hallelujah whispers through the storm. Every heartbeat brings us home. When the sunset fills the sky, every shadow learns to fly. Light awakens every soul, making every broken spirit whole. Light forever shine on me. Open my eyes so I can see. Luz eterna vem brilhar sobre o mar. Além do ar, we are one beneath the sky. Nunca vamos desistir. Rise together into the light. Nos solstícios o céu sorri, a luz desperta o que existe em mim. Pelas montanhas, pelo mar, toda esperança volta a respirar. Cada raio rompe o medo, transforma o silêncio em segredo. Consciência nasce da luz, o coração sempre conduz. No more darkness, only hope. No more silence, only love. From Sicily to the world, beyond the sun.